last lecture we have did Unit 1, Chapter 2, The Magic Garden. Today we are doing Unit 2, Chapter 3, Bird Talk. Before I'll explain the poem Bird Talk, I'll ask some questions. That questions I have written here. Question number 1. When you look at birds, we have to look birds early in the morning. Now, next question. How do they fly and how do they balance themselves on those wires? How do they fly? वो fly कैसे करते हैं? अपनी wings से. And how do they balance themselves on those wires? वो wires के ऊपर बैठते हैं, तब उनके ऊपर बैलेंस कैसे करते हैं? Yes, with the wings. So wings की मदद से वो wires के ऊपर balanced करते हैं. Now next number 3. Do you know what they think about us? आपको पता है वो birds हमारे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं? Yes. Number 4. Do you think birds find people funny? आप सोचते हो कि birds हमारे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं कि people funny है? So now let's listen to what the robin and the jay have to say. इस पोएम में हम देखेंगे कि jay and robin both are the names of birds. तो वो दोनों people के बारे में क्या बातें कर रहे हैं? Let's see. Stanza number 1. Think, said the robin. सोचो, robin क्या कहता है? Think, said the jay. सोचो, jay क्या कहता है? Sitting in the garden, talking one day. वो दोनों एक दिन गार्डन में बैठे हैं and talking one day. एक दिन वो लोग बात कर रहे हैं. Think about people, the way they grow. Let's see the second stanza. Think about people, the way they grow. People के बारे में सोचिए. वो दोनों बात कर रहे हैं कि people के बारे में सोचिए. The way they grow. वो लोग कैसे grow होते हैं? They don't have feathers. उन लोगों के पास feathers भी नहीं होते हैं. यहाँ पे birds people की बात कर रहे हैं. Means people don't have feathers. People के पास feathers भी नहीं होते हैं. At all you know. आप जानते हो कि they don't have feathers. Means people don't have feathers. आपको पता ही है कि people के पास feathers नहीं होते हैं. Now let's see stanza number 4. They don't eat beetles. वो लोग beetles भी नहीं खाते हैं. They don't grow wings. उनकी wings भी grow नहीं होती है. They don't like sitting on wires and things. वो कोई चीज और wires के ऊपर बैठते भी नहीं है. They don't like मतलब उनको बैठना पसंद नहीं है. They don't like sitting on wires and things. कोई चीज के ऊपर या वायर्स के ऊपर पीपल को बैठना पसंद नहीं है. Now next stanza, last stanza number 4. Think, said the robin. सोचिए, robin क्या कहता है? Think, said the jay. सोचिए, jay क्या कहता है? Aren't people funny? क्या people funny दिखते हैं? To be that way? अगर इस वे में है तो people क्या funny दिखेंगे? So aren't people funny to be that way? क्या people इस वे में funny दिखेंगे? Now let's see new words with meaning. I have written words and their meanings. So number 1. Beetles, name of an insect. say in Gujarati, bhamru. Now next, number 2, seating means to be in a particular position. हमें कोई एक जगह पे बैठे हैं हम, तो उसे कहते हैं seating, बैठना. So to be in a particular position. Now next, number 3, wires. Wires means thin flexible rope. ठीक है, तो वो फ्लेक्सिबल होता है, फिक्स होता है, और उसे कहते हैं वायर्स. आपने कभी देखा होगा कि आपकी स्ट्रीट में जो वायर्स होते हैं वहां पे बर्ड्स की लाइन, सुबह सुबह आपने देखी होगी कि वहां पे उन्होंने एक लाइन बना के सारे बर्ड्स बैठे होते हैं. सो इट इज कॉल्ड वायर्स. वो वायर्स किससे बने होते हैं? यस, वो वायर्स मेटल के बने होते हैं. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट, नंबर 4, फनी. फनी मीन्स मजाक, कॉजिंग लाफ्टर, मतलब हंसी का रीजन. कॉजिंग लाफ्टर, कॉजिंग मीन्स रीजन, और लाफ्टर मीन्स हंसना. फनी, किसी ने मजाक किया तो हमें हंसी आती है. नाउ आई recite this poem. So I'll start from the first stanza. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So enjoy it, everybody. I recite this poem and explanation. We have to complete here. Now let's see next topic. Reading is fun. In that reading is fun, I have written here there are 3 question and answers. So I'll explain one by one. Let's see. Question number 1. Name the 2 birds in the poem. Poem में जो 2 birds बात कर रहे हैं उनके नेम क्या है? I have written the answer here. Robin and Jay. Robin and Jay, they both are the names of birds that are given in the poem. Now let's see question number 2. What are the 3 things that people can't do? पोयम में ऐसी कौन सी 3 things दी है जो people नहीं कर सकते हैं? I have written answer here. I'll explain the 3 things that people can't do. 3 things मैंने लिखी है जो people नहीं कर सकते हैं. Let's see number 1. They can't grow feathers. वो feathers grow नहीं कर सकते हैं. Next number 2. They can't eat beetles. वो beetles खा नहीं सकते हैं. नंबर 3, they can't sit on wires. वो वायर्स के ऊपर बैठ नहीं सकते हैं. Means we are talking about people. People can't grow feathers. People can't eat beetles. People can't sit on wires. That are the 3 things that people can't do. Now let's see question number 3. What do birds think of people? Birds people के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं? Birds think that people are funny creatures. Birds सोचते हैं कि people तो funny creatures हैं. Because people differ from birds. क्योंकि people है वो birds से बहुत ही differ है, different है. In many aspects, मतलब हम देखते कि दोनों का जो आउटलुक है वो भी डिफरेंट है. मीन्स पीपल एंड बर्ड्स दे आर डिफर फ्रॉम ईच अदर. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, टॉक टाइम. In that there are 2 question and answers that I have written here. So I'll explain one by one. Let's see question number 1. Imagine what 2 elephants would say to each other about people. यहाँ पे 2 elephants है, वो एक दूसरे से बात कर रहे. किसके बारे में? People के बारे में. Let them talk about. हम देखते हैं वो क्या बात कर रहे हैं. What people look like. People कैसे दिखते हैं? What they eat. People क्या खाते हैं? How they walk. वो कैसे चलते हैं? You can say. आप कह सकते हो. Look at that man's nose. See how small it is. I'll give you the answer of this question. Point number 1. Look at the size of the man. Next point. He is so small. वो मैन की साइज देखिए, बहुत ही छोटी है. Next point. He eats cooked food and that too in such a small quantity. वो पका हुआ फूड खाते हैं, cooked food, and that too in such a small quantity. और जो फूड खाते हैं उसकी क्वांटिटी कम होती है. Next point. He walks on 2 small and thin legs. वो चलते हैं लेग्स से और उनके लेग्स कैसे हैं? स्मॉल. So he walks on 2 small and thin legs. Now we will move forward on next question. Question number 2. Let's find 2 things which you can do and the birds can't do. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या फाइंड करना है? हमें 2 थिंग्स फाइंड करनी है which you can do. You means आप कौन हो? People. We are people. So हम कर सकते हैं लेकिन birds can't do. लेकिन birds नहीं कर सकते हैं. ऐसी 2 चीजें हमें ढूंढनी है. I'll give you the answer. Point number 1. We can read and write. हम रीड कर सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं, but the birds can't. लेकिन ये सब birds नहीं कर सकते हैं. वो रीड भी नहीं कर सकते हैं, लिख भी नहीं सकते हमारी तरह. Next point. We can think wisely. हम अच्छी तरह से सोच सकते हैं, समझ भी सकते हैं, but the birds can't. लेकिन बर्ड्स है वो हमारी तरह सोच भी नहीं सकते हैं एंड समझ भी नहीं सकते हैं. So that are the two things that we can do and the birds can't do. So here my explanation of talk time complete here.